What's up, guys? Welcome back to MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. My name is Bill Herr. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough on this brand new 2026 250 SDX outboard. This is redesigned by Sea Ray and it's fantastic. Coming into the boat, you can see the flow of the boat moves perfect all the way from back at the transom all the way up into the bow. No trip hazards, anything like that. You come down these two steps. Great for kids because you're sitting in the boat, you're not riding up on top of it. You do have a little door that you can shut there, so if you got dogs or kids that you want to keep in the boat, you can shut that, keep everybody in here, enjoy that time out on the water. Huge, expansive wraparound seating area. These seats can convertible back the other way, so if you're hanging out at a sandbar or something, you want to add to that entertainment space, you can do that just by flipping these seats. Or if you got doing water sports and you want someone watching somebody off the back of the boat, simply flip this seat forward, drop this bolster down, you can sit facing the rear. Up above us, we got this nice big canvas cover, so tons of sun protection. You can also fold this canvas up, lower this down with the power tower. You're able to sneak under any bridges or anything that you need. Over here at the helm, Sea Ray gives you the twin Simrad screens. Everything's touchscreen, easy for the captain to operate. I always tell people it's like using an iPhone. You just kind of mess with it. The more you learn, the more you can figure out, or you give us a call. We're here to support. Throttle controls over here for that Mercury 300, great power option for this boat. Again, able to pull skiers, tubers, wakeboards, anything like that. Just enjoy that time out on the water with family. Over here under the helm, got this nice big head compartment. Easy to step down into. You got a freshwater sink down there. If you wanted to add the padding kit, you can do that. That way, if you have any little ones that want to get out of the sun, you can kind of put them down there, leave this top open, they're going to get some airflow. And that way you can extend your time out on the water, enjoy it with your family and friends. Moving all the way up to the bow, huge wraparound seating area. This is where the kids want to hang out. It's nice and deep up here. They carried the beam far forward to give you this expansive seating area. You got grab handles, cup holders, chargers, anything that you need. Sea Ray's got you covered. We got you covered. So thank you for taking this quick walkthrough on this brand new 2026 Sea Ray 250 SDX outboard. Again, my name is Bill Herr. If you'd like to schedule a private walkthrough, you have any questions about this boat, you can reach us at 609-926-0600. Thank you, and we'll see you on the water.